How's the back feeling, by the way?
Better than yesterday.
Okay, well, that's good. Let's just even elaborate a little bit more. Are we talking like toes? What do we got?
Really tight, like right in here.
All right.
Right in the mid-back.
That's what happens when you go 5,000 miles. You are tighter there, though.
Is more than usual?
Well, I would say it's your normal amount of screw up. Nice. Move a little bit there again. Try that. Now. I feel okay. It is a little tight there. I'm gonna pull. Was that sore at all when I did that?
Just a little.
Okay, not bad. Okay. Nice.